Fast-moving thunderstorms swept through the Las Vegas Valley on Friday, causing flash flooding along parts of the Las Vegas Strip, stranding cars and leaving thousands without power and other damage.
Systems couldn't handle as much water that was coming in at once.
The National Weather Service reported that 1.14 inches of rain fell Friday in Boulder City, Nevada, about 26 miles southeast of Las Vegas. More than an inch of rain fell near Interstate 15 on Charleston Boulevard, just north of Harry Reid International Airport. The massive flooding about 10 miles north of the central Las Vegas Strip resulted in at least one driver being rescued from his car and others leaving their vehicle under an overpass, according to local news reports. A city spokesperson said there were no reports of rescues or major incidents.
You can't park there! You can't park there!
Oh my God!
One video circulating on social media shows water flowing into a channel outside the LINQ Hotel and Casino on the Strip. Major intersections including Las Vegas Boulevard and Cheyenne Avenue were blocked after drivers became stranded when the road quickly became flooded on Friday. About 700 flights were delayed and more than 100 flights were canceled due to bad weather conditions. On Friday night, more than 4,000 people in the Las Vegas Valley experienced power outages due to 30 outages, according to NV Energy.
Our whole street.
Flash flood warnings are in effect for parts of Clark County, including Las Vegas, as well as parts of Nye and Lincoln counties in Nevada, San Bernardino County in California and Mojave County in Arizona. Las Vegas city authorities advised residents to use caution during travel and not drive through flooded areas or walk into flood channels or basins.